Korang tahu tak, with our exclusive subscription service, you can now catch all 380 Premier League games live in real time without any delay or weather interruptions. Whether you're at home, on the go, or anywhere else, you won't miss a single moment of the action. Not only do you get to watch the games, but you also have access to pre-game analysis, providing you with all the insights and prediction before the match. Takkanlah korang nak terlepas any Premier League excitement. Korang tunggu apa lagi? Subscribe Astro. Dia nak risau lagi, audio tak sync ke, gambar tak boleh ke, video terputus ke? It's a new Astro. Stream tanpa gangguan hujan and indulge in the complete football experience. Bye!